What's cracking, people, and welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. My name is Simon McGrath. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. If you guys are not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button right down here and help me get to the 3K. We've been growing really fast. I think I've been doing this for about a year and a half. We're already up to 2,600, almost 27, so hopefully we're growing pretty good, so I appreciate all the support. Today's video is sponsored by Follow the Action Outdoors. They're an outdoor apparel company that covers you from fishing to hunting. They got the most awesome custom hand-drawn designs that you guys can honestly see in any other stores. I mean, you will not find anything else like it. They're literally so badass. They're coming out with the King Salmon design. To go off the King Salmon, we are going King Salmon fishing up in Wisconsin today. We're gonna be taking the Nitro right behind me. Justin's coming over. He's gonna be here in about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna be meeting up with Tony from Wisco Anglers at the launch. So it's gonna be us three today. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be filming a video. I'm not really sure. Hopefully we can get the day done. I'm excited. I wanna be able to catch a King Salmon. I do have one with Spencer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode, and hopefully we can film a banger for you guys. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, guys, quick time update. It is, what time is it? 2:05. It is 2:05. We're gonna be there at 3:30. I'm officially with Justin. I don't even know if you can see him. But all right, we're with them, and we're gonna be there, like I said, at 3:30. So I'm not really gonna drive too much with the camera or vlog too much with the camera here. So once I get there, we will start the video then. So we're meeting up with Tony at the launch. Justin's with me now. Hour and a half drive, then off to the Slam and Sammy's. Smells like mayonnaise in this harbor.
Mayonnaise? Mayonnaise. You ever take this fucker out on Lake Michigan before?
First time.
Really? There's so many fish right here.
Alright, we can't do that. Be like, it's okay, we're only like a mile and a half out.
Yeah, just follow the rocks, don't hit them though. Oh man, we're kind of getting close.
We've been this close. We kind of just keep twisting though. The nose was over there. That's why I looked like that. I got 3 fish.
Nice.
Oh, that's good. That's
Beautiful.
a good fit. Nice job.
Oh my god, I was just on. I swear to god,
I watched that happen.
I was just on, fully on.
Oh my god, we got like 10 fish.
Yo, I swear to god, I was just on.
Come something with the screen. Tommy. Screen Tommy.
Dude, oh
Dude,
my.
we have fish all over.
That's what you want to.
We have fish all over.
Yo, I was just on, dude.
Look at that. Look at that.
Motherfucker, dude, that really pissed me off. The one time a guy comes right next to us and I'm not paying attention, that's when I get hit.
That's right. You do get hit when you're not paying attention. Yeah, you know if you got a red dot on your 2D, it's right there.
I'm on. Oh my god, I was just on. Motherfucker, dude. And I said it on that one too. All right, guys, it is, what time is it, Tony?
7:08.
7:08. All right, guys, so I've hooked up twice. So one time, this jackass that was right there, I was talking to him, like literally my rod was like bent. Tony saw most of it, and I just hooked up again. So, but the bite is coming alive. We've seen 2 or 3 people catch now, and we are marking a lot more fish in this area. So we're pretty much like right off these rocks right there, pretty much in like a nice flat area, a lot of bait moving through, tons of current. Yeah, current is literally pushing these fish kind of just through, and I've hooked up twice. I set the hook on that one too.
Yeah, your drag started.
I was ready for that one.
Yeah.
You don't think there's anything down there possibly pulling it, right?
There's nothing down here.
Yeah, dude, I came over that same patch and I didn't get like snagged or hung up on anything. Those were definitely 2 hookups.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, dude, did you see my rod?
I wasn't watching. Guys, we're getting a lot of action now. Tony's got a red and gold spoon.
Gold, yeah.
So I got straight gold. Right when I switched to gold, I got my or I did have a hit earlier, but it wasn't as like I knew for sure that my last 2 were fish. That's a big ass bee, dude. You see that? I'm about to land on your knee.
Hey, buddy. Oh, don't go up my shorts, homie. That's off limits, man. Look at this.
Oh, thank you. No.
I got that on video. I got that on video. Oh my god. He's gonna have the hole the size of Jupiter in his boat. Oh my god, how did he do that? Oh my god, I gotta get back down there.
Got him. Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
Yo, go get the trolling motor. Go ahead, pull that thing out. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Got it, got it, got it. Up to the boat, up to the boat. You're good, you're good. Up and around, up and around, up and around. No! Oh my god.
Oh, there's a big female.
I said, sorry we didn't bring the pliers over there. I didn't know what to do. I saw some guy hit the rocks earlier with his boat. So I've been trying to stay off everything because the current's like super strong.
Oh, that was Josh. He's friends with Justice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was casting like literally right out from your boat. Just smacked it.
Yeah, we just, Justin just hooked up on one.
I saw you guys hook up on one and I was like, well, that sucked. And then like literally 5 seconds later, bam.
Yeah, man. How'd you know it was us out here?
Because I know I see your boat and then the long hair.
Oh, I guess that's the tell-all.
Yeah, the long hair is a dead giveaway, dude.
Well, way to hook up on one. I'm gonna keep jigging here.
Thanks, brother.
See you, man.
Fish on, fish on. Get the trolling motor, trolling motor. Trolling motor, trolling motor, trolling motor.
Tony, kick it in gear. Go. Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Tommy, the boat's not starting.
What?
The boat's not starting.
Okay, give me the key.
Tommy, we're going by the rocks. Tommy,
Oh my god.
Why is it not starting?
Dude, Justin, I have to put the trolling motor
We're
down.
fucked. We're fucked. The boat's not.
Go to the rocks, boys. Come on.
Dude, shut up. My boat won't start.
Got it, got it, got it.
Wait. He's coming back this way. He's coming back this way.
Okay, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Just keep us off the rocks. That's all that matters.
Okay, I'm gonna keep.
Hold on now, boys. Slow down.
Heads up. Huge wave, huge wave.
Slow down now. Slow down. You're gonna run into the fish.
I'll tell you.
Should I turn the boat off or the boat?
Yeah. Reverse or no?
Go forward, straight forward. Cut a little left, and then... Yo, Tony, when we're done, I think when you turned it, I think the whole mechanism turned in that boat. We gotta make sure, or else we are.
Tommy, you gotta be really good on this net job.
I know.
Hey, this boat better move.
Hey, Justin, lean. Justin, lean on this. Lean on this. I don't want to see you go in, especially with these waves coming.
Hey, that boat better watch out.
Yo,
Hey,
Tony,
start
you gotta go to the
turning,
right.
start turning, dude.
Get.
Yeah. I just don't want to cut anything too fast because it takes that.
Hey, fish!
All right, I gotta go. I need to control the boat here. I'll call you when we get it.
Fish!
Lean on this. Lean on this. I'll be fine.
What do you want me to do?
Keep going straight.
Straight. Yeah, I'll guide you. Justin, you just fight it.
He's gonna be going right again.
Yeah, cut right.
Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm being
Fucking chasing this hard, dude.
Yeah.
How you feeling, bud? I'm literally shaking for you.
Feeling good and a little nauseous still from the seasickness that I had.
Oh my god. Okay, Tony, stick your rod down. Yo, stick your rod down.
Yo, get ready.
I don't know. No.
Just stay right where you are for now.
Kick it in gear once. Oh my god. The green and white jigging spoon, guys. First fish of the day. It is. Tony.
Can't see the screen right now.
It turned off.
Oh, nice. It's off.
Hold the power button. Tony, you're good right where you're at. Okay, Tony, cut right. Dude, that engine scared the flying f out of me. When you were yelling the rocks, dude, I got so scared.
I was like,
You gotta really
I know, dude, I know.
Big, dude. It's a big buck. Big buck.
Tony, right.
Justin, how you feel, bud?
Feeling good.
Left. Guys, we are hooked up. The first fish of the day. We've been literally hooked up. I hope you can see me because of the sun, but we've been hooked up probably 4 or 5 times. Justin had one like for sure on for a while.
Alright, so just slow down.
Yeah, I'm in neutral.
If you want, cut right a little bit.
Sorry, this might be a little.
That is massive. Dude, that's massive. That could be a 30.
This might be a little shaky camera work. My bad.
No, you're good.
I got my left hand. I got my left hand doing the
But
gears.
guys, what I was saying is, Justin hooked up, lost that fish. I hooked up twice, but I wasn't hooked up for long. Like it was pretty much like I hooked up and it popped off both times. So I had 2 hookups. Tony behind the camera, thank you for filming. He had 2 hookups, and Justin's 2 hookups literally like stayed on. Like he like actually battled it. Now this is the second one, and actually it's still on. So we've been fighting this for probably 5 minutes. Tony's like chasing it with the boat. I got the net ready. I mean,
I got my camera.
it's
in one
massive,
hand.
guys. This is a massive, massive king. We've been out here since 3:30 in the f***ing morning. Keep the line taut. Keep the line taut because he's going to reverse.
He's right here under us. Tommy, get ready. Hey, he's about to
There we go. Drive.
Go around, go around, go around, go around.
There you go. Perfect. Nice. Way to battle it.
Okay, what am I doing?
Tony neutral.
Yep, neutral. Oh my, this is hectic as oh my god. This is the
Hey,
craziest.
Tony, now cut right. I'm
Oh my-
sorry I told you last time.
You're good, you're good.
Kick it into gear and go right. All right, now stop right away.
We need to get right up on it.
All right, Tony, you might just have to put the camera down and drive.
Okay.
Guys, all right, we'll tune back in with you in a second.
Yeah. Dude, it's
Really
like 30
giant.
pound. It's like a 30-pound buck, seriously. I just saw its tail. Its tail's like huge, dude.
It's pretty brown too.
It's like one of those tan ones with like the pink belly.
Oh my God.
All right, guys, Tommy just broke the net.
That's a nest fix. You better not drop that camera in.
I won't. This is way lighter than my camera. You want to see my camera? It weighs like 12 pounds.
I saw the raccoon mic sticking out your bag.
You like that? That's actually a rat.
Yo, hard right.
Yeah,
hard right.
Should I gas pedal? Or
Oh, no.
Just like this?
Yeah, maybe a little bit of gas.
Actually, take it, turn completely like this and get the fish on this side.
Yeah.
Tommy, how you feeling, buddy?
I calmed down a little bit. I was shaking a bunch. This flight's literally going on for like 20 minutes. I'm really nervous to net it, but I'm pretty confident in my net jobs.
I'm nervous for you.
And if I f this up, I'll never hear the end of it.
Oh yeah, no.
This is a first king all day long. We've been out here for, I don't even know what time it is.
It's like 10 o'clock. We've been out here for 6 or 7 hours.
Pretty much 6.5 hours.
Yeah. We're just gonna have to send it. We're getting way too close.
Yeah, start going left. Yeah, and make the fish come on the right side. We can't even go close to that.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but we can't risk that.
I don't want to either. You kidding me? I'm behind the boat. I don't want to do that.
Tony, in neutral.
Yep, in neutral.
Look at that guy rollerblading with weights. We need this thing to kick back out left.
Dude, this thing, will it ever run out of energy or?
I mean, probably not. Dude, it's been like.
There it is. It's going back left. Thank
Oh, it's
God.
10:07 by the way.
10:07.
We hooked this fish at like 9:40.
Alright.
Dude, it's silver, bro. That's why.
It's never gonna end. There you go.
Okay, let's go.
Tony.
What?
Tony.
What do I do? What do I do? Reverse?
No, be careful, no.
I'm fine, but
Tony, no, you gotta give it gas, dude. You gotta give it gas. Hard.
we're still in 21 feet. We're good.
I don't understand how we're gonna land this thing.
I don't either.
We need this fish to get off these rocks. We have to. We need it back out there.
I need to stop recording.
Yeah, you're fine. Yo, that guy's got a heads up.
Fish on.
Is that the same dude? Oh my God, guys, we gotta get it before those pipes. Tony, cut left and go forward. Forward. Right. Neutral. Motherfucker, dude.
Fucking annoying.
Tony, in gear. Cut right.
Ready, Tommy?
Yep, I'm ready.
That's fucking done, brother. Dude, that is one of the best nets.
Yo, wait. Guys, the minute I netted this
Get the
fish,
scale out of my
the
back.
minute I netted it, hook popped out.
That's a male,
The
right?
hook was literally like right in the corner.
Here, grab the
Tony, you got line on your foot. Heads up, bud.
Come on, we gotta treat this fish good, guys.
Yep.
Justin, you're gonna keep this thing?
No, just do the horizontals.
Fish has landed. Literally absolutely unbelievable fight. Still shaking. I got like a really good net. Hopefully I got that on my GoPro. My GoPro died right when we pretty much got it in the boat. So right in the corner of the mouth, and we were really nervous the hook was gonna pop out. Did not like, we could see like the whole lure like right in the corner of the mouth. So I don't know, that's like what we were like super worried about, but we were able to get it. So
Really had to just take it easy in the fight because the hook could pop at any moment.
That was a miracle that we landed
Yeah,
that fish.
seriously.
we're gonna revive this fish and get it right back in. Try and get it like a nice underwater release.
Look at the size of the tail. Oh, hey, I think it's gonna go. It's gonna go. He's doing the S turn.
What a fight.
Dude, that was insanity.
Absolutely ridiculous.
That's a miracle that was even landed.
Oh, dude, I know.
Well, guys, that is going to do it for today's episode. Pretty much a 0 to hero day once again. I mean, we had a lot of bites. I lost my first 2. Tony lost 2. Justin lost his first one. He was hooked up for the longest on that one, and then it ended up popping off. Copper. But Justin hooked up. The fight lasted literally like 40-45 minutes. He just kind of babied it the whole time because from what we saw when the fish was like in the water, like the hook, obviously it was a treble hook, but only one of the hook was in like the corner of the mouth. So Justin like babied it the whole time because he was nervous about losing it. It was like an absolute giant. I mean, 26-pounder.
Huge, man. Huge. Biggest of the year so far.
Biggest of the year. So again, he just babied it, and then right when that fish got in the net, hook popped out. Like it was literally just like a textbook. You guys kind of saw it, but like had 2 chances to net it, and then like when I was going for it, I pulled it away right away. So those weren't missed nets, and then like the one chance I had, I seized my moment and got it. So I don't know, crazy day to say the least. Unfortunately, I didn't catch one, but again, seeing that catch was really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to leave a like. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 5 o'clock p.m. new time, 5 o'clock, and that's it. So I will see you guys next time.